Many jewelry items are stamped with hallmarks or marks indicating the type of metal used. Common hallmarks include 925 inches for sterling silver, 14K or 18K for gold, and PT for platinum. Look for these marks on the inside of rings, the clasp of necklaces, or the back of earrings. Some metals like gold and silver are not magnetic. If a magnet is attracted to your jewelry, it's likely made of a metal with magnetic properties. Keep in mind that this method is not foolproof, as some counterfeit items may be non-magnetic. This test can help you distinguish between different metals. Be cautious when handling acids, and only use this method if you are knowledgeable about working with chemicals. Place a small drop of nitric acid on an inconspicuous part of the jewelry. The reaction, such as a color change or fizzing, can help identify the metal. Observe the color and luster of the metal. Gold, for example, has a distinct yellow or reddish-yellow color, while silver has a bright white luster. Platinum is a grayish-white metal with a high sheen. Different metals have different densities. You can compare the weight of your jewelry item to a known piece of the same size made from a different metal. Heavier jewelry is often an indication of denser metals. This method involves scratching the jewelry item with an unglazed ceramic plate or stone, then applying a drop of acid, specific to the metal you suspect. The color change or lack thereof can help identify the metal. Be cautious with this test and do it in an inconspicuous area to avoid damaging the piece. Professional jewelers and appraisers often use X-ray fluorescence (XRF) analyzers to determine the metal composition of jewelry accurately. These handheld devices emit X-rays and measure the energy levels of the returned X-rays to identify the elements present. When in doubt, seek the expertise of a professional jeweler or appraiser. They have the tools and knowledge to accurately identify the metal in your jewelry. They can also provide information about the quality and value of your piece. It's important to note that some jewelry may be made from alloys or plated with a thin layer of a precious metal over a base metal. In such cases, these tests may reveal the base metal rather than the surface plating. If your jewelry is valuable or holds sentimental value, it's best to consult a professional jeweler for a precise evaluation.